Yeah. Okay, really big problem for our Tasmanian devils. We've actually lost 90% of our wild devil population since 1996. So it's really serious. Whereabouts they're going to be visited. And then together they work to pull the carcass apart. Amazingly, the devils have the strongest jaw pressure of any mammal for a bite. They can only see about a metre in front of them. They can't. Oh. Fur, wow. Bone, everything. So, down there.
I don't know where Dad is.
Should we put it in front of the glass for you guys because you're little? See what happens. Whoa! Yeah. He'll come back, don't you worry. Having a tug of war yet?
Nah. Left it.
Random. Did she drop it or something?
They're out of here.
They're right at now.
Did he drop it or something for a while? Oh, here we go. Stand on the edge so you can see. This way. They're moving all the time.
Yeah, they're way down there, they are.
Yeah, you can sit on that. Just don't put your legs over.
Oh, the blood! The blood! Oh no, they're eating it! Oh, look at the blood! Oh, he's getting it! The blood! The blood! Oh no, the fairy! Oh no, the boat! Oh no! Oh no! The fire eater! Oh yeah!
Okay.
He's not going to let that one go now.
Alright. Now I've got to hold it better than you.
The wall?
Really hoping he doesn't let it go because it's going to flick back onto my hand. This guy doesn't let it go either, so I might be standing here for a while.
Look at around the wood.
Alright. Well, while he's eating, I'd like to, before I did bring up the frequency of which devils fight for another reason. You see, it's become quite relevant since the devil facial tumour disease has come about. It's a contagious cancer, and there's only 2 contagious cancers in the world. Unlike the one in dogs, the one in devils is fatal. And they believe the original source of the disease was probably a female devil in the northeastern part of